got a modified Razor RSF650 with the 72-volt setup in the EC4P motor from Electro & Co. This is a whole different beast. 83.2 volts, 83. Man, I can't wait to have this much power in my SX500. But this thing definitely needs some work. The brakes do not work at all. So I'm gonna fix that real quick so we can take this out for a test ride.
Is this expensive?
How much is a piece?
This, with the modifications, just this battery is $1,800. And then this motor is like $300, plus a controller. It's probably about a $3,000 bike.
How are you gonna fix the brakes though?
I need to bleed the brakes. You gotta remove this screw. He has this bleeder kit. So
You got your regular motorcycle license yet, Pat?
Let's not talk about that.
Or no?
No, I don't think so.
My cousin's been riding for years with no motorcycle license.
This is a pretty slick kit you got.
He organizes all the group rides in New York for Onyx.
He's adding.
John Angel?
Yeah. He also does the tunnel runs in Central Park. You ever see those races in the tunnel?
There we go.
The fluid is what pushes the pistons into the brake to stop the wheel from spinning. Okay? No brakes, you can stop.
Can I drive?
Drive the blue car?
This is pretty slick.
Is that a universal kit?
Yeah, that's true.
No, wait. No, sorry, I have hydros too. Like E-mounted bikes are so freaking expensive, man. It's ridiculous.
It's not perfectly bled quite yet, but at least now we got front and rear brakes, so we can at least take this out safely.
Right?
It's sketch.
I wanna try.
This is low. You got it low.
All right.
So I was.
What's the fast mode? 1, right? Okay. Yeah, definitely still sketch, but this is at least we have some brake. This is the first RSF650 to have ridden, so I'm just taking it a little bit easy right now. It feels really small versus my Razor that has a swing arm kit on there. As you see, there's some loose parts on this because he did crash this recently, so we're just gonna take it a little bit easy.
May I take your bike?
Yeah, you can take my bike. Milo, no, stop, dude. Don't let him.
Whoa.
Holy cow. So the power delivery on that EON Molicel battery is pretty insane. Okay, so we just quickly hit 46 miles an hour. I just slowly rolled into the throttle. This domino throttle is pretty smooth. So I might switch out the throttle on my current Razor, my MX650, maybe also my SX500 to this domino throttle. That feels really nice, but it is pretty intimidating. The power, I think this is currently set to be about 11 kilowatts. It's got the EON Molicel battery on there, along with the EC4P motor. Should be a very similar setup to what we're gonna have to the SX500, but this is still limited by the Kelly controller, and of course we're going with the Noisy Cricket controller for our bike, so it's gonna make a little bit more than this. Did a quick pull over there, hit 50 miles an hour real fast. We rolled into the throttle a little bit harder. I probably could have hit maybe 53 if I worked it a little harder. You could probably re-gear this bike to go 55, but this feels pretty good as it is. One thing I don't particularly like about this setup is the stock suspension. As you can see, I'm pretty much bottoming it out if I just squat if I want to. Obviously it's meant for like a 14-year-old boy, and I'm a 180-pound adult, but this thing boogies. If I get one of these, one thing I'm definitely gonna change out is the rear shock and get an extended swing arm. But otherwise, this powertrain is freaking awesome. Don't expect anything else from Electro & Co, but these quality products. GPS 50. All right, bro. Have fun in New York.
3.
Okay, yeah.
What's that, like power levels?
Yeah, just go easy on the throttle.
I say we always keep it in. You want to start off in low? Roll up.
Roll up.
This is so chill. How do you have this just down the street from your house? What the heck? This man literally takes me straight to a police station.
It's like an automatic throttle, like it sticks.
Yeah.
On purpose?
Oh, no. We rode in the sand earlier.
Oh, so it's bound up?
It's got a shit ton of sand in there because
Okay.
I dropped it earlier. All right, let's move. Okay, well now I'm a little lost, but at least we got a 52-mile-an-hour top speed on this thing. Yo, he was flying. I'm really glad that I got a chance to ride Chris's RSF650. That thing is a freaking beast, and I cannot wait to finish my Razor SX500 project with the same EC4P motor. I think his bike's set up to currently put out around 11 kilowatts, and my SX500 is supposed to put out around 14 kilowatts, so I can't wait to finish that thing and get it on the road. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you like this kind of content, want to keep up with some of my projects, some of my rides, consider subscribing to this channel. But this is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching.